how to remove ads from your Windows 11 laptop. So to do this, you need to open up your browser, and in the search bar you want to type in this. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Now copy this bit of text here by clicking this button and right click on your Windows button. Now press Terminal Admin. Now paste and press enter. Let it do its thing for a bit, and then this will pop up. From here you can go to tweaks and you can select between standard, minimal, clear and get installed. You can even go through each tweak by itself and disable and enable whatever you like. I'm going to press minimal. So once you've selected all the options you want to remove or enable, you can now press run tweaks. I also suggest pressing this button here, which will give your computer a performance boost. Now press run tweaks and then your script will start doing something like this. Once it's finished, it will say down here tweaks are finished. Now if we go into widgets, you can see that everything's removed here. If you want to get rid of this bit, what we need to do is right click, taskbar setting, and here you can turn off that widget. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this helpful, please let me know down in the comments below.